Whether you're in the market for a car, a crossover, or a spacious family SUV, Kia has got you covered on all bases. Their 2021 lineup is the fullest so far, tightly packing bright, dynamic, and technologically superior vehicles with the best dollar per feature value on the market. Time to get acquainted with the newly arriving Kia squad, so subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News, ring the notification bell, and let's start the engines. Kia Sorento. The previous generation Sorento was a rather tamed minivan-like midsize SUV that in 2019 experienced a 19% drop in the US sales. This year, Kia is trying to rectify the situation by releasing a fully overhauled Sorento that grows by 1.4 inches in wheelbase length, has a more aggressive face, and flashes a Telluride-inspired rear section. The SUV also gets a variety of drivetrains for every need and wallet. The entry 2.5-liter turbo with 377 HP and an 8-speed DCT, a 2.2-liter diesel, a hybrid, and a PHEV. The latter two systems are centered around a 1.6-liter turbo paired with a 6-speed automatic gearbox and a single electric motor, making 59 or 90 horsepower. The regular hybrid nets 227 HP and gets a 1.49 kWh battery, while the plug-in increases the output to 261 horses and features a larger 13.8 kWh pack with yet undisclosed all-electric range. Kia Stinger. Despite the rumors of discontinuation, Kia's four-door sports car returns with a new face, a more powerful engine bay, new tech, and added interior luxury. The front is decorated with new multifaceted reflector LED headlamps and new LED daytime running lights. At the rear, the changes materialized in the full-width taillight with a 10 LED checkered flag pattern and optional, larger wide-bore bright silver exhaust mufflers. The North American market gets an exclusive new mid-tier engine, a 2.5-liter turbo four-cylinder that makes 304 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Plus, the GT-exclusive 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 now accommodates 3 more horses in the stables for the grand total of 368. This mid-cycle refresh also implies the availability of ultra-soft, diamond-quilted Nappa leather seats, improved 10.25-inch infotainment, and ambient lighting. Kia Celtus. Already released in 3 different versions destined for different markets, the subcompact Celtus has youthful and modern design, plenty of standard tech, an adult-friendly rear row, and class-leading cargo space. The US model, that will be also sold in Canada, comes with a full-time all-wheel drive, torque vectoring, and central lock as standard, and only the mid-grade S-Trim offers a front-wheel drive system. 2 engines are available, a 2-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder with 147 HP, 132 pound-feet, and an IVT, or a much torquier 1.6-liter turbo with 175 horses, 195 pound-feet, and either an IVT or an 8-speed dual clutch. The Celtus also gets Kia Drive-by safety tech, an 8-inch infotainment, and such optional extras as a head-up display, Bose audio, and a power sunroof. Kia K5. Say goodbye to the Kia Optima moniker and welcome the all-new, internationally homologated K5 sedan that, unfortunately, has been cancelled in Europe. Probably it was not intentional, but the model looks so good and is offered in a powerful GT trim that it might actually make a dent in the sales of the Stinger. The exterior features a revised tiger nose grille with mesmerizing DRLs and Audi-style rear light that spans across the whole width. The K5's underhood affairs are managed by the 1.6-liter turbo with 180 horses and 195 pound-feet. But the previously mentioned GT model gets a beefy 2.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder that makes 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet. As standard, this is a front-wheel drive sedan, but the all-wheel drive system is optional. The new Kia gets standard safety tech and a trio of displays for the dashboard and infotainment. Kia Telluride Nightfall Edition. Thanks to the newly added Nightfall Edition package, Kia's award-winning 3-row becomes even more appealing in 2021. Offered only on the top-range EX and SX versions of the Telluride, it adds gloss black exterior highlights, unique radiator grille design, and LED headlights with dark bezel fog lamps. The Nightfall treated Tellurides ride on new 20-inch wheels that are also finished in black. The exterior color palette includes 8 paint schemes, including an exclusive wolf gray option. As usual, this SUV comes powered by the 3.8-liter V6 with 291 horsepower. It is mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox, but in this case, it gets an exclusive all-wheel drive. This episode is a part of the ongoing series that covers 2021 lineups from all car makers. Like this video, watch it till the end, and continue your quest by clicking on the suggested icons. Let's keep going. Kia Rio. The 4th generation Rio rightfully holds the title of one of the best buys in the B segment, but leadership positions have to be defended, so this minor refresh is right on time. First, we're welcoming a new lineup of engines. The EcoDynamics Plus powertrain combines a SmartStream 1.0-liter TGDI with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and a clutch-by-wire intelligent manual transmission. Its output matches the outgoing mill's 100 and 120 horses, but has more torque and fuel efficiency. Non-hybridized engine options are also revised. The 1.2-liter naturally aspirated mill gets dual-port injection technology, and the new SmartStream engine replaces the Rio's earlier Kappa generation 1.0-liter TGDI. The updated 8-inch infotainment features Phase 2 UVO Connect with wireless Apple and Android compatibility, while safety features now include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Kia Carnival aka Sedona. Sold as the Carnival, Grand Carnival, or Sedona, this 4th generation MPV arrives sitting on an all-new platform and acquiring more attractive SUV-like exterior styling. Up front, the new Tiger nose grille with integrated DRLs gives the minivan a wider look, while in the rear, the same task is accomplished by the full-width LED light strip. The Carnival comes with a new fully independent suspension for a smoother ride and gets 3 engine options: a 3.5-liter MPI, a 3.5-liter GDI, or a 2.2-liter diesel, all linked to an 8-speed auto. Inside, the model can be optioned with 3 or 4 rows, seating from 7 to 11 passengers. It offers up to 74 cubic feet or 2,095 liters of cargo space with the passenger seats folded. The MPV also gets the latest Kia tech with 2 12.3-inch displays, wireless smartphone compatibility, and voice recognition. Kia Sorento. In essence, the speedy and tonic subcompact crossover is basically a raced version of the previously mentioned Rio hatchback, but its make-believe ruggedness and affordability make it an attractive buy on the select markets. The changes in 2021 are nearly identical to the Rio, so we welcome new LED headlights, 2 new body colors dubbed Storm Grey and Azure Blue, and a zest yellow paint finish for the roof. The major highlight of the refresh is of course the new EcoDynamics Plus mild hybrid gasoline powertrain that combines a 1-liter engine with a 48-volt electrical system to deliver 100 or 120 horsepower. The other 2 options are a naturally aspirated 1.2-liter and a 1-liter TGDI with a standard 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DCT. The 8-inch infotainment powered by the Phase 2 EVO Connect telematics system, is now kit. Plus, the safety package is matched with the outgoing Hyundai Kona. Kia Picanto. 2021 brings us a mid-cycle refresh of the Picanto city car that has been in its current generation for 4 years now. All Picanto trims arrive with a redesigned tiger nose grille and restyled headlights, while the upper-range sporty GT line and crossoverish X line also get updated bumpers, LED DRLs, and new tail lamp light signatures. There are a few changes on the drivetrain front as well. Both the 100 HP 1-liter turbo and the 67 HP 1-liter naturally aspirated mills get revised fuel injection, feature new integrated thermal management system, and compared to a newly introduced 5-speed automatic manual gearbox. Finally, the revised Picanto debuts with a standard 4.2-inch instrument cluster and an 8-inch infotainment. Kia Sonet. First presented as the Sonet concept in February 2020, the subcompact is the smallest and the cheapest crossover from the brand. It is also the second global model in the Kia's range that is developed and manufactured in India. The exterior of the Sonet follows the same design language as other new generation Kias, getting the brand's signature tiger nose grille, heartbeat LED DRLs, and similar taillights. The underhood business is represented by 3 engine options: a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder, a 1-liter turbo inline 3, or a 1.5-liter diesel. The transmission selection is wider. There are 5 variants, including a 7-speed DCT and a revolutionary 6-speed SmartStream intelligent manual. Interestingly, the affordable newcomer does not shy away from offering premium equipment options, including the segment's largest 10.25-inch infotainment, Bose audio system with 7 speakers, LED mood lighting, wireless smartphone charging, and smart air purifier. In the past, one would be in doubt whether a Kia car was a worthy buy at all, but now we have to break our heads which one of these superb models to choose. Mention your top picks in the comment section. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News and proceed to exploring 2021 lineups by clicking on the icons. Like, share, and come back soon.